long-lasting friendship, camaraderie, mutual understanding, and most importantly, cultural exchanges. So, it is possible for now, since you are one of the prime movers of Biyaga, it is possible for you to convince your counterpart to increase the number of sports, to give other artists in the member areas to showcase their innate or God-given talent.
Tama po yun, no? So, hindi lang increase the number of sports, no? We have to also increase the number of teams. So when I say teams, kasi the Philippine Economic Zone involves a lot. For example, nabanggit ko kanina, Indonesia, 14 areas eh. So, but not all of them join, no? So, kumbaga, hopefully the Bibliaga will make it more accessible for more teams to participate. Not only in the number of sports, but also in the number of people, no?
Commissioner, I noticed and observed some of the sports, or majority of the sports, are invented or coming from these countries. Like Sepak Takraw is invented in Brunei, sila also in Muslim sports, so why not include other sports? Para to expose other athletes from these bigger countries, na makikita nila na these are other sports coming from the Christian countries.
Yes, definitely that would be the direction. So, noted po yan. Thank you.
Last question, Commissioner. You know, Biyaga is a very significant sports competition now. Since PSC is looking for young, fresh, talented talents, would you consider Biyaga as a breeding ground of future athletes for future international competitions?
Yung Bibliaga, the age group we're talking about right now is 16 to 21. No? So, I'm sure you've noticed that meron tayo mga U16, U13. So, baka as a direction also, after hearing your suggestion, comment po, no? Increase participation, number of sports, number of teams, including decreasing the age para mas maraming mga youth o bata sasali.
Last question, I dare the question from Iyaga to fencing, because fencing is your favorite sport. You are twice gold medalist in South Asian Games, bronze medalist, and as well as a veteran of 1992 Barcelona Olympics. Now, after long 32 years of fencing, finally, made it Olympics with Samantha Katandang, passed the qualifying with flying colors. Now, since Katandang is a gifted or extremely gifted athlete and refined and polished her skills in the United States. Now, how would you assess the chances of Katandang, since Katandang is the lone Filipino entry in Paris Olympics? How would you assess her chances against her rival? She's raised against top racers in the world.
Yung sa Asia Oceania qualifying, she was actually paired against the number one rank, no? Si Korea, no? And that was the turning point actually in Korea opponent na yun, no? But she clearly beat the Korean. I think 15-4, maybe or 5. Kaya nga, ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, as long as she can just maintain or do what she did during those qualifying, that Asia Oceania qualifying round, and even do better, definitely she'll move up the ladder in the direction. So I'm very confident that Sam Katandang will not only participate, but also, kumbaga, give some results, no? Much better than maybe even I and even Mr. Percy Calcher, my fellow Olympian.
Thank you so much, Commissioner.
Thank you, honorable gentleman from Bicol. Meron din tayong sasabihin, Chairman.
Nabig na ng emotion na mga kalong.
So, Commissioner Wander Torres, you might have additional information, messages to stakeholders, and any additional, announcements with regards to the BIMP before we wrap this up. Dapat at the first session.
Well, una, I'd like to thank Puerto Princesa City, headed by Mayor Lucido Bayron, for really cooperating and helping us with the organization of this event. Sabi ko nga, 2018 was the last edition, and it's been, 6 years. And it's a challenge. We want to make it bigger and better so that it would be a memorable case for everybody. So, in addition to Mayor, of course, I would like to thank PSC because hindi namin kaya mag-isa lang to. So, definitely, the technical working group headed by Ma'am Cristina Bellana and assisted by Dr. Larry Domingo. Of course, with the support of the executive committee, our board, chairman, my fellow commissioners. Talagang I'm very excited about the games, and I'm asking the media to help us make this a memorable games, by reporting responsibly. and of course, our Filipinos to support our delegation, especially international. So maraming tayong mga bisita. So yung hospitality, yung friendship, smiles will be very, very important. So thank you, and God bless sa inyo. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Kong Walter, PSC Commissioner Walter Torres, for the information. Magbabalik po ang PSA Sports Forum after a short break for the second and final session together with no less than PSC Chairman Richard Pactor.